Hey YouTube, what's going on? Chris here. I want to bring you a very quick update on Litecoin. Right now we're actually up almost 7%. We're at 83.30. And what happened was we had a whale step in here, or strong market maker here off this 20 EMA. If you see this here, we've been paying very close attention to it for the last few days. We've actually had dojis on it. We've kind of wicked up here. We got rejected, pushed back down, but we have not closed below that. And this has kind of been that line we've been paying very close attention to. And right now we're defending it. So what we have to see now, guys, we had this drop. Now we're going to have to see if we can get up past this little shooting star candle right there. And that's going to be around that 88.54. We're going to see if we can get up above that, or if we're going to get a little bit of rejection off it. Because a lot of times what you have here, you'll bounce down, then you'll come up a little bit, then you'll actually bounce down again and try to test it, or you'll break down through, or sometimes you actually make that move, and this could be the start to try to go to that higher high. And what I want to do is click kind of through the time frames for you here. So we'll go to the 12-hour and see what's happening. So guys, we broke down here. We were moving sideways, almost looked like a little bear flag in a way there. And now we're trying to break back up. We're going to have to see if this is a false break or if this is one that's really going to hold and really going to stick. Now let's go to the 8 hours. We're up above the 20 on the 8 hours right now. We're going to have to see where we close. Then I'd like to go to the 4 hour. And the 4 hour, in terms of the moving averages, we are running directly into this 50 moving average. So we actually wicked up to that on the 4 hour. So we're going to have to see what happens. It looked like some people were taking some profits there. And then, guys, I want to take you all the way to the 1 hour, and I'll show you how quick these things actually happen here. So this move right here, we broke out. This literally happened, guys, in about an hour. So this candle moved from $79 all the way up to around that $84, which is a good move, obviously 7%. And that's what we said, guys. We always want to be prepared for that upside and that downside and the sideways, because in this market, you know, it's the wild, wild west. It's a wild Mustang. It can break either way, even if, you know, a lot of indicators are showing bearish, it can break bullish. If a lot of indicators are showing bullish, it can break bearish. And that's where you just have to have a plan. You have to strategize for both sides. So, you know, that's what I wanted to bring you really quick here, just to tell you, so you can do what you want with it. Be very careful of false breakouts. It's also what I wanted to mention. Sometimes we'll break up and then we'll get a lot of rejection and start just really falling fast, and this is kind of one of those traps. So just keep that in mind, but we're going to have to pay attention to what this volume continues to do to the upside, and also just work your way back and then see where we close today. So today the close is going to be at 8 o'clock, so I'm looking at about 50 minutes for the close here, and we're going to have to see what happens with this candle. But it is a good sign that we are defending this 20 EMA that we've talked about, and that's why I always try to bring it to your attention, this 20 EMA, because it's very powerful to both the upside and the downside. It's been used as a lot of support and uptrends, and it's been used as a lot of resistance and downtrends. So guys, just want to bring this on your radar here. We're up about 7%. Do what you want with it, but just be careful. We'll see if this is a real true move to come up here and try to really test first this $88 and then up here around that $92. So we're going to see, guys. Time will tell. Just be careful, be patient. Want to bring it to you. God bless you all.